I'm not feeling well today. I'm trying to live today. I feel sick. But now I'm going to church. But my head is aching. I already drink Biogesic. Hello, thank you, Habiba. My eyes is ano na. Look at my eyes. Thank you, Habiba, for coming. I was so tired yesterday, so this is what happened to me. My head is aching. Mara, what is that?
I don't know.
Nunod sila ng TV eh. Thank you po sa jacket. Sige ate, dikit ka lang dyan, te. Hindi ito ang regular, ano ko talaga. Regular time na mag-live. Ano talaga ako mag-live. Gabi. Live streamer kasi ako eh. Please connect to my friend Habiba, guys. Mabait po yan. Ate, dikit ka dyan. Pagka live ka, punta ka sa kanya. Pupuntahan ka rin yan. Matagal na ba tayo dikit? Saan ka dumikit? Matagal na ba tayo dikit? Siguro naglinis lang ako, no, te. Kasi matagal ka na rin di pumunta eh. Tagal na ba, ate? Maingay lang kasi dito. Baka maano kasi ako yung sa TV nakaka-CPR din kasi yan. Nakaka-restrict. Pero sleepy pa, guys.
You go to the jungle. Be careful. You too. Sky's a polar bear now, so he could be lurking anywhere. I gotta go first.
She made the wrong move, stepping on my